welcome to another ABC Grab and Go On Demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to cover the CX and C2045 driver's sliding window replacement. The driver's sliding window for the CX and the C2045 can both be removed in the same way. Here's a picture showing the driver's side window. Step 1. On the front outside window trim, remove the black urethane around the front, top, and bottom of the window if present. Please note, not all coaches have urethane on the outside window. Step 2. On the front inside window, upper corner, remove the rubber plug, shown in the picture at the top. Step 3. After removing the rubber plug, remove the Phillips screw from the hole and slide both windows to the center of the frame. In this next step, we're going to show you how to remove the ABS plastic from above the top window frame of the sliding windows. The tool you'll need is to use a pick like the one pictured here. Place the pick between the window and behind the ABS plastic and pull up. The trim is held on by Velcro. Step 5. Remove the 5 screws from the upper side of the window frame, as shown here in the picture. Step 6, you're going to have to tilt the upper part of the sliding window assembly inwards and remove window that needs replacing and install the replacement window. Please note, you may have to trim front and rear ABS slide trim, shown here in the picture. Now that we've removed the window, we're going to place the new window in place and replace the 5 screws in the upper slide window frame. Step 8, reinstall your Phillips head screw. Step 9, install the rubber plug. Step 10, reinstall the ABS plastic on top of the window frame. Step 11, use gray urethane to fill the gap from when you trimmed it when you removed the window. And finally, we're going to complete step 12. Take a small amount of black urethane and go around the front, top, and bottom of the outside window, shown here in the picture. Note, even if your coach did not have urethane on the outside window, it is recommended to apply it. This will help reduce any possible wind noise. This concludes another ABC Grab and Go On Demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for coach technical support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.